Hello everyone, we will take a white sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally. Now fold over either side upwards so that it looks like this. After you are done with this, draw these lines onto it. Now cut out the shape of these lines that you have created. Once you open them out, you should have made a snowflake. This is the snowflake you are left with. Start off by taking a circular sheet of paper, fold it up into half as such. Once you have done this, make a circular sheet and then stick a triangular red sheet on top of it. Add rectangular lining to the base of the rectangular sheet and then add patterns onto it. Add your eyes, draw a carrot nose on and a cute little smiley face along with some blush. Stick it on a circular bent sheet of paper as such. Add little arms on the side and then take a marker. We have chosen a red marker. Color it in using this marker as such. This will be the scarf of your little snowman. Then don't forget to add on the buttons as well. Now add little snowflakes all around to it to make it look all the more better. Once you are done with this, add little polka dots as well. Take a white marker, add some lines onto your scarf and then let it dangle from side to side. Next, we will start off by taking a green large sheet of paper, fold it over in this conical shape. Now, once you are done with this, cut the base of it up to make it even as such and so it can stand. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, fold it into half. Once you are done with this, take a pair of scissors and then make multiple strips onto it. Once you are done with this, roll it up. Now, open up your sheet of paper to begin with before you roll it up. Add tape on one of the ends before you do anything. After you add the tape, remove the paper portion of the tape and then stick one side onto the other as such. Once you are done with this, leave a little bit of excess onto one of the sides. As for the rest of it, make sure that it is even. Make two of similar sheets as such. Now begin to stick it all around the conical shape that you have created. Use different shades of green in order to do so and then stick them alternatively one on top of the other. At the top, you may also add on a little star. Next, start off by taking this rectangular sheet of paper. Mark two places as 3.5 centimeters as such. Do this on the top and the bottom. Now, draw lines through it as such until they meet the other side vertically. Now, fold over either side of it to make it meet almost in the center as such. Once you are done with this, add marker on one of the sides, that is marker glue. Now, stick the other side onto the top side. Now, take the shape and then cut it out on the sheet of paper. Before you do this, however, draw on the tracing of it. Do this onto the blue sheet of paper that you have taken. Once you are done with this, cut it out accordingly. Make multiple of these and then stick them together. We have decided to make about 12 of them. Stick them one on top of the other, adding glue right in the center as such. Finally, once you are done with this, you may open it up into a circle and this is what you should be left with. Next, we will start off by taking some green paper and a cup. Now take the rim of the cup, cut it out, then take the green paper, small horizontal strip of it, fold it up into half and then proceed to make multiple strips out of it as such. Now take this green paper that you have created and then wrap it around the rim that you have created. After you are done wrapping it around, this is what it should begin to look like. Make sure that it is entirely full and that there are no white portions left out of it. This will be our final look. Now on top of this, in a little gap that may or may not be present, firstly begin to ruffle out the green portion of it. Add a thread to the top of it so that this decoration can be hung. After this, we will take a small green strip of paper that is square and now fold it over diagonally. Open up the diagonal fold and then fold in either of the corners so that they can meet in the center fold. After this, fold the top edge downwards. Make multiple of these, stick one on top of the other. Then take a rectangular strip of paper, fold it over multiple times, add it to the base of the double foundation that you have created. It will look like a tree now. Add a bow at the top. Then cut out little balls of red and white paper as such. Stick them all around your wreath. Next, we'll be making a snowman snowflake. Take a white sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally 2 times as such. Once you have done this, fold it over diagonally a 3rd time. Take a bottle cap, make a circular shape out of it. Make 2 of these, one on top of the other as such. Add a little Santa Claus cap to it as well. At the base, add some snow markings to it. Then don't forget to add some grass to the sides. Once you are done with this, add inner patterns and then cut it out of the markings that you have created. Now, once you open it out, it should look like a snowman. Use red marker in order to color it all in and to make it look all the more better. We have also colored in the scarf as such in red. This will be the final look. Don't forget to draw the eyes and the mouth. Thank you for watching.